Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Fast Trading Partners along Bob Iacchino. Bitcoin 4-hour chart, Sunday afternoon, July 19th. Starting to get to the time when its crypto markets start picking up. You can see here rallying off this bottom. By the way, this was not a double because this was too short. It would have had to extend down here. But rallying up, we had the significant level of 91.73 area. You can see poke through it a number of times, hitting the 50 period exponential. And they're right now testing this critical area. What I'm watching for is a close above 91.80. Getting a close above 91.80, I'll start looking for 92.10, 92.35, where the declining 200 is with the GAN level, and 92.61 to the upside, and we're back into this higher consolidation range. If we drop down, you have some support right now about 91.22. I'd just be watching 9100. If we close below 9100, this is right about here. It's right these candle bodies. That's the key level I would be watching. If we close below that, next level about 9,070, and then the 9,005 area. You can always do a GAN projection down should we start trending. Here's the daily chart. You can see here not much separation in rotation zone, so I'm not going to use it on the daily. I'm just going to use those 4-hour levels that we're watching. Other than that, this is just to keep the bigger picture. We're back, verging on shifting up one level from the lower consolidation range to this more of this. It's one tier higher consolidation range, but it's still overall in the macro lower one. So macro lower is between this line, this 9,300 line, and about the 99,000 line is our lower macro one, and then that's subdivided into these two. If we shift up, then we have the higher macro range, which would be between 9,300 and about 95.25, and then the higher range of that would be up to 98.94. So you can see how it's been shifting and trading above and between those ranges. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, go to 4-hour. This is a really nice example. So it held the 231.25 on a closing basis, came back up, tested this 234.50 area multiple times, finally broke through it, held it for a bit, but came back down with this flat 200 and see this prior resistance area. So you had the shelf right here, and watch the candle bodies. Again, focus on the candle bodies, not the wicks. And then you come over here in conjunction with the 200, that's now provided a area of support and rotating back up against that 50. I'm going to be watching for a close above about 236. Above 236, we'll start watching 237, 237.87, and 238.77. And why I'm using these shorter term projections also within consolidation is because we've had so many reversals. They give areas. Let's just hypothetically say, all right, it rallied off this bottom, broke out, you rebought this on the rotation back up. Well, these would be great areas to move up stops, especially since if we come over here, so we get above this 237.10 area and you look, you say, hey, look at this upper level. We can slide over here. Hey, there looks like it was a prior support shelf. That might be resistance. So that's either a good area to partially take something off or definitely move up a stop. So if it does reverse back down, worst case, maybe you're stopped out for break even or a slight profit. That's what we have for you on Ethereum and Bitcoin. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.